If you're still relying on AliExpress to be a professional dropshipper, you're gonna struggle. And although AliExpress now it only has 5-day shipping on some products and it has brought in new features, it's still not the company that you can count on to be a full-time professional dropshipper. Now there is people out there that can help you and I will discuss them in this video as we go through. But first I need to tell you why you need to stop using AliExpress. Now number one, although they have brought that 5-day delivery in, I can easily tell you from experience and from testimonials of people, it doesn't mean it's gonna get there in 5 days. It's just good to say that on the website. They are renowned for being late. They are renowned for parcels going missing, being 2 weeks late. Okay, so that 5-day shipping is good to add to your business to tell people we can get it there in 5 days. But you're looking at disappointment, in my opinion, if you're using AliExpress. Now, although that's really bad, AliExpress is good to use when you first get started because it's good to make mistakes. It's good to test. It's good to find out what dropshipping really is. I personally think you should stop making the mistakes that all of us have already done. We tell you on YouTube all the time, don't make this mistake, don't do this. And a lot of you go and do it anyway. So if you're gonna do it with a couple of dollars, $5, $7 on AliExpress, make them mistakes, and then come back to this video and get in with the real dropshippers. And again, I'm gonna show you in this video what you should be using and how you should be using it. You wanna be using tools like Ecom Hunt, like Big Spy. These two tools I use all of the time, and the reason is they can do a lot of the work for you. Now, when you combine these two tools, Big Spy and Ecom Hunt, with the supplier of my choice, which is Fulfillment, okay, you then have a winning formula in my opinion. Now, I do many videos on Big Spy and Ecom Hunt because they are the two best tools that I can ever use in dropshipping, and I've used hundreds, okay? And with that combined with Fulfillment being a unbelievable fulfillment center and service, okay, allowing, and again, the shipping time that AliExpress does of 5 days, they can lie as much as they want. It won't get there in 5 days. When Fulfillment say they're going to do shipping, they have a private line service that will get there exactly at the time it guarantees. Now, that is a special feature because you don't have to deal with refunds, with complaints, with people saying, where is my package? Fulfillment have a private line service, which is again, just one of the hundreds of reasons why Fulfillment is the best fulfillment service out there. Okay, not only that, they can help you with branding your product, whether that is flyers, whether it's actually branding a mug, a cup, whatever it is that you're trying to sell, okay? They can help you with all these aspects. So what I'm trying to say is there is tools you can use to prevent you from making mistakes. There is fulfillment services that you can use to prevent you from dealing with the mistakes of AliExpress. So in overall, stop using AliExpress. Unless you are brand new, you don't want to just dive into paying a lot of money for different things. Spend like $5, $7 on AliExpress. Feel the product for yourself. You'll realize it is really not that good, okay? Stop using AliExpress, use other alternatives, and mine are in this video with that link down below. So make sure you do hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, guys, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Get over to Fulfillment, get a free call right now, and let's just stop making mistakes.